Namaste. I heartily welcome all my dear students and respected parents at the beginning of the session after summer vacation break. As the new principal of Gangotri International School, I want to take this opportunity to reach out to you. I know that you are concerned about the impact of coronavirus on your family and your education. Let me assure you that we are committed to supporting your success as you complete your summer vacation. The school is more than its buildings. Buildings may be closed, but our staff, administrators, and all of the leaders are working remotely to provide you with the resources you need to be successful in the online teaching and learning environment. There may be an influx of new students and faculty, but we are confident that together we can deliver interactive online education. Don't be overwhelmed. It is important that you communicate your needs and concerns directly to your teachers so that they can help you. If you have questions about your classes or assignments, reach out to your instructors via the means that you had been instructed beforehand. The school will continue with remote instruction till further notice from the government. So when it comes to providing the services that you need to be successful, please know that we are committed to supporting you in any way. We will continue providing tutoring, counseling, and many other services and programs for students using this format or platform. All these are not going to be easy, but I am sure we will do it. Let's follow a few tips together. Get up, get ready, and get to work. The more of a routine you can set, the better. Designate space for studying. Find a relaxing, quiet, and diversion-free space that will amp up your productivity. Take a break when you need one. Studying can be exhausting. Get motivated and stay motivated. Listen to your favorite song. Eat healthy food. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Got a question? Speak up and ask. We will keep in touch through our regular application and other mediums. And I look forward to when we can all come together and to celebrate coming through this really difficult period. Together we can, and together we will. Thank you.